Credit cards can feel super confusing when you are a student. You see ads everywhere. Get a student cards today, and it almost feel like free money. But the truth is, credit cards are not free money; they are loans. And here's the thing: if you learn how to use credit cards the right way, it can actually help you in the future, like renting your first apartment, buying a car, or even qualifying for a mortgage later. But if you use it the wrong way, it can trap you in debt for years. So, in this video, I'm going to explain credit card basics every student should know, what a credit card really is, why is it important, what the risks are, and most importantly, how to use it smartly so you stay out of trouble. So, this is everything I wish someone explained to me when I was starting out. So, let's start with the most basic question: what is credit card? A credit card is basically a loan from the bank. When you swipe your card at a store, you are not actually paying with your own money at that moment. The bank pays for you. Then later you owe the bank back. Here's a simple example. Let's say you buy a $100 pair of shoes with your credit card. The store gets their $100 immediately from the bank, but now you owe the bank $100. At the end of the month, you will get the bill. That's called the statement. That tells you exactly how much you owe. Now you have two choices. Number one, pay the full amount. If you do this, you are good, no extra fees. Or you pay the minimum amount like $10 or $20. If you only pay the minimum, the bank charges you interest on the rest. That's where it gets expensive. So keep it simple. Debit cards means your money, credit cards means the money you borrowed from the bank. Okay, so why should students even bother with credit cards? Why not just stick with debit? Here's the four big reasons. Number one, building your credit history. Your credit score is like your financial report card. It shows how good you are at paying back money. A good score makes life easier. Renting apartments, buying a car, or even getting a job can depend on it. The earlier you start building credit, the stronger your history will be later. But two, emergencies. Imagine you are stuck in another city and your debit card isn't working. A credit card can save you in emergencies. Number three, convenience. Some things are way easier with credit cards. Renting a car, booking hotels, or even certain online subscriptions sometimes require one. Number four, rewards and benefits. Many student credit cards give cashbacks, points, or discounts. For example, 1% cashback means if you spend $100, you get $1 back. It may sound not like much, but it adds up. So it's not just about spending money you don't have, it's about building your future financial reputation. But credit cards can also be dangerous if you're not using carefully. Let's go over the main risk. Number one, high interest rates. Most credit cards charge up to 18 to 25%. That's huge. If you don't pay your balance in full, the bank makes money out of really fast. For example, if you owe $500 and you only pay minimum, it could take years to pay off and you might end up paying $800 to $1,000 in total. Number two, the minimum payment trap. The bank wants you to only pay the minimum because they can't keep charging you interest. Always aim to pay full balance. Number three, overspending. Swiping a card feels easy. It doesn't feel as painful as handling over cash. That's why so many students overspend on food delivery, clothes, or entertainment. Number four, hurting your credit score. If you miss payments or max out your card, your credit score gets down. And remember, this score affects your future. So, bottom of the line, credit cards are not free money. They're powerful tools that can help you or hurt you. Right, now let's talk about the right way to use your credit card. Follow these simple steps and you will be safe. Number one, start small. Get a student card with no annual fee or low limit. 500 to 1000 is good enough. This way you can't accidentally spend way too much. Number two, pay on time. Even being on the day late can hurt your credit score. Set up autopay from your bank so you never forget. Number three, pay in full. Don't just pay the minimum, always pay the full balance. Treat your card like debit card. Only spend one whatever you can afford. Number four, keep your balance low. This is called credit utilization. If you're limited $1,000, don't spend more than 300 before you're paying it full. Using less shows bank that you are responsible. Number five, use it for small regular expenses. A great trick is to put things like your phone bill, Netflix, or Spotify on your credit card, then pay it back each month. This build credit without extra spending. Number 6, check your statement. Always read your monthly bill. Sometimes there are mistakes or even fraud. If you see something you didn't buy, report it. Credit cards are usually protect you from fraud if you act quickly. Follow these rules and you will avoid debt while building an amazing credit score. Some extra tips for students. Number one, don't get too many cards. One card is enough when you are just starting out. Number two, never lend your card. Even if it's a friend, you are the one responsible if they don't pay. Number three, don't overspend for rewards. Cashback is cool, but don't buy stuff you don't need just to earn points. Number four, check your credit score. Many apps let you see it for free. Tracking it motivates you to keep good habits. Think of your first credit card as a credit training wheels. It's a practice for the beginner financial things you will do later in your life. To wrap this up, credit cards are not scary if you understand them. They are not free money, but they are tools that can help you build your financial future. The key is simple: spend only what you can pay back, pay on time, and start small. Now I want to hear from you. Are you thinking about getting your first credit card, or maybe you already have one or you are trying to see use it smarter? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if the video helped you, make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe for many more easy money tips, and share this with friends who are just starting out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.